Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified. I'm back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually download GTA Vice City on your PC, laptop or MacBook. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now, there are loads of ways to actually download Vice City on your PC, but I'm going to show you the way throughout Steam. Now, the first thing that you want to do is open up your Steam application and from there log into your existing account. Now from there we go to the store section right here and you click on featured. Now from there the store will open up and you go to the search bar right here and you type in Grand Theft Auto Vice City. And as you can see here, Vice City will pop up, and from here you go down to buy Grand Theft Auto the Trilogy. And this includes 3 versions: GTA 3, GTA Vice City and San Andreas. Now simply add it to your cart, and from here you can purchase it for yourself and you can actually start to play Vice City. Now, if you still get any questions regarding this tutorial, or if this tutorial has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If you like this video, please leave a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching.